Have you ever wondered how humans survive on Earth? Well, I'm wondering about that too. Actually, we eat food, drink clean water, breathe fresh air, and enjoy beautiful natural landscapes. But where do all those benefits come from? They come from ecosystem services, nature hiding support system. Do you know what is ecosystem services? Ecosystem services are the benefit that humans receive from nature. They are not man-made. They are natural processes that happen every day around us. Forests produce oxygen. Bees pollinate crops. Wetlands filter water. Mangroves reduce flooding. Without these services, human survival would not be possible. Now, let me introduce you four types of ecosystem services. Number 1. Provisioning services. Provisioning services provide us with physical products from nature, such as food, fresh water, timber, and medical plants. For example, fisheries provide seafood, and forests provide wood for shelter and paper production. Number 2. Regulating services. Regulating services help control natural processes. They regulate climate, reduce floods, absorb carbon dioxide, and prevent soil erosion. For example, mangrove forests act as natural barriers against storms and coastal flooding. Number 3. Supporting services. Supporting services are the foundation of all ecosystems. They include nutrient cycling, soil information, and providing habitats for diversity. Without healthy soil and balanced ecosystems, life on Earth cannot continue. Number 4. Cultural services. Cultural services provide non-material benefit such as recreation, tourism, spiritual value, and mental well-being. Do you know why is this important? Actually, it is important because ecosystem services are under threat due to deforestation, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation. When forests are destroyed, we lose oxygen production and carbon storage. When wetlands disappear, flood become more severe. Protecting ecosystem services is just not about saving nature. We can protect ecosystem services by conserving forests, reducing plastic waste, supporting sustainable agriculture, raising environmental awareness. Every small action matters because when we protect our nature, we can protect our future. Nature doesn't need us to survive, but we need nature to survive. Ecosystem services are not optional, they are essential.